How to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can turn on the multi-guest request on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to go live first, you need to meet certain requirements of TikTok, like getting at least 1,000 followers in order to get the live option for you to go live with other people. So if you have that option, then there are certain methods you need to follow in order to turn on the multi-guest request. So in order to do that, you just need to follow the steps. First of all, if you just need to go live. During your live, tap guest at the bottom and then tap on the settings button, then adjust the following permissions like allow requests from viewers, allow requests from followers only, or moderators. After that, to manage your multi-guest layout during your live, tap guest at the bottom, tap settings bottom, then adjust the panel, grid, or fixed layout. Another thing is you can manage your guests during your live tap guest at the bottom, tap invite and select other creators and friends to join as guests. To remove a guest from your live during the live, just tap on guest at the bottom and tap on the disconnect button next to the guest you want to remove. And after that, if you want to join the live as a guest, to request to join someone's live during someone's live, tap multi-guest request at the bottom, then tap on request. After that, once they accept your request, adjust your live video settings, and then you're ready to go live. So therefore, by following those methods, you can turn on multi-guest request on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.